Solar Glide 5, an everyday all-rounder with superb energy return. Whether you're building consistency, upping your distance or training for a personal best, Solar Glide 5 are the shoes you leave by the door to support your goals every single day. They're packed with performance technology, from the Boost midsole to the knit upper and the Adidas Lep 2.0. This shoe's upper is made with a high-performance yarn which contains at least 50% poly-ocean plastic, reimagined plastic waste, intercepted on remote islands, beaches, coastal communities and shorelines, preventing it from polluting our ocean. Boost midsole. Hundreds of Boost capsules fused together and ready to explode with energy in each step. Adidas Lep 2.0, the evolution of our legendary torsion system. Fitted to the outsole for a stride with response. From problem to performance, this material, made in part with poly-ocean plastic, isn't the solution to save our oceans, but it's a start.